Hello everyone from Ukraine. Today I got caught in some rain.
Accident.
I ride a motorcycle not just to ride. I use it like a real transport. The rain doesn't scare me, and here's why. The side case is always attached to my bike, therefore raincoat always with me. If you ever got out in the rain on the motorcycle, you wanted it too. There can be two types, all in one, when jacket and pants is one part, and separated, when you can use something one of these. And of course, at first I also made the wrong choice for myself. My previous suit was as one part. The fact is, when you rode, it almost doesn't matter. But the main problem is if your road is long and you want to stop. Stop and relax in the middle of the trip, especially if you're far from civilization. Almost forgot, and one of the main selection criteria for me is the presence of a hood. However, helmet is also with you, and seems hood in jacket is redundant part, but main question when you should ask this, it is timeout between riding. For example, I decided to stop near the store and have a bit to eat. Now rain is not heavy and strong, however, wearing a helmet is not always comfortable. It also could be different situation, when you have to put up tent or spend time in nature for a long time. In this case, hood is very useful and help you. One more thing, I want to go to the toilet. When your suit is separated, it's more useful procedure. This is especially true for girls. Yeah, to be honest, without pants is much more comfortable. It doesn't matter if it rains or not. If you have a separated rain suit, you can adjust the condition for your body however you want much easier. So the rain stopped, I had a snack, and I think time to move on. Regarding size, if you ride in different seasons, it will be better to have one raincoat, but one or two sizes larger than your casual clothes.